Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is actually a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 49. So what are the values of a and b? Okay, and given that a and b, these are members of the real numbers, and a and b, this is greater or equal to 0. Okay, so before we dive into the solution, if it is your first time to come across my videos, please like and subscribe. Now, solution to this problem, we have a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 49. Now, a squared minus b squared, this is of the form of x squared minus y squared, which we can express as x plus y, x minus y. So this is a difference of two squares. So we have x plus y, x minus y. So that means that x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 49. Okay, now satisfying these two conditions, let's get the factors of 49. So we have factors of 49. We have 49 times 1. Okay, so this is this is the first factor. The second factor is 1 times 49, and the third factor here is 7 times 7. Okay, so here we have three cases. This is the first case, we have the second case here, and we have the third case. Now, from our case here, we have a squared minus b squared. So this is a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to 49. And given that we have the three, these are the factors that we multiply, can get 49. Let's solve these three cases. So we have a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to, now the first case here is 49 times 1. So that means that a plus b, this is equal to 49. The second case, we have a minus b, this is equal to 1. So this is a system of two linear equations. So let's add these two linear equations. So that now, here we'll have a plus a, this is equal to 2a, b plus minus b, that simplifies, and this is equal to 49 plus 1, this is actually equal to 50. So let's divide both sides by 2, so that the value of a is equal to 25. So that means that the value of b, we have a plus b, this is equal to 49. So we have 25 plus b, this is equal to 49. So that means that b is equal to 49, subtract 25, and b is equal to 24. So we have the first set of a and b given us 25 and 24. So these are the values of a and b for case 1. So let's solve for case 2. For case 2 here, we have a plus b, a minus b is equal to 1 times 49. So we have a plus b, this is equal to 1, and we have a minus b, this is equal to 49. So let's add these two systems of linear equations. So a plus a, this is actually equal to 2a, and then we have b plus minus b, that simplifies, and then 1 plus 49, this is equal to 50. So let's divide here by 2, so that now the value of a here is equal to 25. So that means that the value of b, we have a plus b, this is equal to 1. So a is 25 plus b, this is equal to 1. So that means that b is equal to 1 minus 25, which is equal to negative 24. Okay, and this is less than 0. So this means that this, in the second case, that means that for b here, this part is rejected. This solution is rejected simply because it does not satisfy that a and b is greater or equal to 0. Okay, So therefore, the second case is rejected. Let's solve the third case. That is case 3. Case 3, we have a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to 7 times 7. So here we have a plus b. This is equal to 7. And a minus b, this is equal to 7. So let's add these two system of inequations. A plus a, this is equal to 2a. Then b plus minus b, this simplifies. And then we have 7 plus 7, this is 14. Dividing by 2 both sides, that means that a is equal to 7. So let's substitute here. A plus b, this is equal to 7. Substituting the value of a here, we have that b is equal to 7 subtract 7. And therefore b is equal to 0. So now we have the second set of solution. We have a and b. This is equal to 7 and 0. Okay, so this is the second set of solution we have. And that means, that implies that a squared minus b squared, which is equal to 49, okay? And given that the values of a and b, we have the first set is actually 25, 24, and the second set is 7 and 0. Okay, so this is the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Bye bye.